back to the channel, guys. So we're at Samlesbury Hall in Lancashire, and this place is known to be one of the most haunted places in Britain, and today we're going to go and see if we can find any ghosts.
Hope you enjoyed the video, guys.
And also I've got Airborne Junior that's going to help on this video, so let's go. So this is the Great Hall, you can see there. This is where they said that the ghost is present. People have weddings and events here, and it's been known that there's been a uncomfortable presence whilst being in here, and there's been shadows seen in this hall as well that they think is the ghost. So thanks for watching the video on Samlesbury Hall. We didn't see any ghosts, so we'll still sleep tonight. Now if you've enjoyed that video, then what should they do?
Thumbs up.
If you've not subscribed, then what should they do?
Subscribe.
Thanks for watching. This is Airborne Vlogs and Airborne Vlogs Junior out.